someone is upset with you because you choose peace over chaos and distance over disrespect, it's better to be alone. Other people, they think you have got nowhere to go, but they will shock you one day you leave them forever and you never came back in their lives. You know that people, they can disrespect you if they know that you are very desperate to be with them. So it's better to be alone. You can't die to be alone. You have to choose yourself than to choose to impress those people. You know, other people, they love to see you with them. They are disrespecting you every time. But when you are no longer with them, they can get upset, and they will talk like they are the victims now. They don't tell people the truth if people are asking them why that person leaves you or what, even in relationship. So it's better to choose peace over quiet. So sometimes to be disrespected, guys, that person always disrespecting you, and now you choose yourself, is getting upset. It's like maybe people, they like to use others nowadays because they want to, you know, that they want to get excited. Other people are being bullying you every time, or it's a friendship or a relationship. That person is abusing you in that relationship, and now you say enough is enough. That person get upset again.